Want to fix GTA Vice City NextGen? Securom Reported Error 2000? This video will show you the simple tricks to get back to Vice City. Let's dive in. First things first, Securom Error 2000 in GTA Vice City. NextGen Edition usually indicates a problem with the game's copy protection, often due to a virtual drive, incompatible software, or system conflicts. Now, the most crucial step is to disable or uninstall any virtual drive software, like daemon tools, alcohol 120%, or disk emulation tools. Securom often conflicts with these. Next, ensure your antivirus and firewall are not blocking the game or Securom components. Temporarily disable them and try launching. If it works, add exceptions for the game's executable. You'll also want to run the game as an administrator. Right-click the game's shortcut or executable and select Run as Administrator. This provides necessary permissions. Ensure your Windows operating system is fully updated. Older or missing system updates can cause compatibility issues with copy protection. Finally, if you're using the NextGen Edition, which might be a modded or unofficial version, compatibility issues are very common. Try a clean installation of the original GTA Vice City and ensure it runs before applying any NextGen mods. Some users find disabling specific startup programs or services can help with Securom conflicts. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more GTA Vice City tips, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next.